Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. Suppose your friend Rajesh has his birthday tomorrow, and you are looking for one picture of him doing silly things so you can use that image as a birthday wish through Instagram stories. But you have saved hundreds of photos on your phone, but forgot to put them in albums? Later, when you try to find that one special birthday photo, you keep scrolling, and scrolling. It's lost somewhere between food pics, memes, and screenshots. Annoying, right? Well, that's exactly how a website feels without a proper database. All the information is there, but scattered and impossible to manage. That's why creating a database in cPanel is super important. It organizes your website's data neatly, just like creating photo albums on your phone. And if you're hosting your website on YouStable, things get even easier. Their cPanel is smooth, fast, and super beginner friendly. So even if you're setting up a database for the very first time, plus, you won't feel lost. YouStable's affordable plans make website management totally stress-free. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a database in cPanel, step by step, without any confusion. Let's go. Log into your cPanel account, and you will be on this page. Enter the name of the new database you want to create. cPanel automatically adds a prefix in the name of the database. Now, click the Create Database button. The database has been successfully added. Let's go and see the newly created database. Scroll down to the table Current Databases. Here you can see all the databases. We will learn about modifying the database and adding a user to a database in other tutorials. Thank you for watching.